Welcome back to Vlog 5.
If you don't know us already, we're Harry and Nikki, and last month we finished our 17-seater minibus campervan conversion in order to take it across Europe this summer.
In this vlog, we're taking you with us through sunny South Spain,
where we visit the buzzing city of Seville, Marbella's Monday market, and find another awesome lake with clear waters.
Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Now let's get on with the video.
Welcome to Vlog 5, guys. If you guys watched the last episode, you know you would have left us in this beautiful park up where we are still at now. If you guys haven't watched that episode, if I were you, I'd go back, skip to the end. You're going to get this awesome drone.
Don't skip, watch the whole thing.
Watch the whole thing through if you haven't watched it. But yeah, you can see this awesome place we're set up at. It's amazing, amazing views. And we are just making some breakfast now, a bit of scrambled egg on toast, which looks banging. And then we're just going to head off and explore Seville for the day. So we're going to have to leave this spot, unfortunately. But yeah, on the way to Seville. Let's go. Okay guys, so we are heading to Seville right now. This is where we're leaving the van for the day. We slept here overnight, not exactly luxurious compared to the last place we were at. But yeah, nice enough, just outside of Carrefour, so it's nice and safe. People constantly coming by. So let's go to Seville. Nick, be careful. What? You break it, you buy it.
Since we're in Seville, we decided we'd give you some fun facts, as we do in most of our vlogs when we go to big towns or cities. So the first one is to do with Seville's cathedral. It is the third largest cathedral in the world, which is mad. And it is said that the planners at the time said that they wanted to build a church that was so big and so magnificent that people who saw it finished would think that they were mad. Which just says a lot, doesn't it?
You reckon they were a bit mad, didn't you?
Yeah.
You said, what did you say when we were walking up to it?
It's a bit unnecessary.
It's a bit unnecessarily big, I think.
It's a bit big.
We get the whole religion part, but like, Jesus.
It's just a lot of square meters.
It is indeed. But yeah, fun.
Yeah. Gracias.
Okay, so we just sat down because it is 34 degrees today. It is absolutely boiling. So we've got a nice little fresh lemonade each. Sat down in a nice little pretty square, just chilling out. Everyone's looking at us as we're using our drone, but you know, got to do it for the content. So, Adam, you say?
Bye.
Where have you been? Museum?
Went for a 60p wee.
You went for a 60-cent wee?
Yeah.
Well, that's
a lot of money.
a bit of a rip-off, isn't it?
I know, it's just a small wee as well.
I thought you'd been to a museum or something.
No.
Why are you hiding behind me? Are you running? Okay, so behind me is the Plaza de España, and yeah, it's pretty beautiful. I mean, we weren't expecting too much when we saw it online, but just come and see it in person is actually, it's just a bit stunning, isn't it? But yeah, it was built to show the bond between the American colonization and Spain, and it took them 15 years to build, which, I mean, I've never built something like it, but I don't know if that's long or not. We did our van in 3 months, so 15 years.
We could do that in maybe, what, 2?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, pretty nice.
Nice. So another fun fact is that we're actually standing in the gardens of the Royal Alcazar Palace, and the royal family of Spain actually reside here. So in the gardens they have 170 different species of plants, which is mad, and all of the plants they grow here they actually feed to the residents of the palace, which is crazy as well. I love that.
So if I take a little wee on this plant there,
then someone royal's gonna eat your wee.
oh no.
So what were your thoughts on Seville?
So Seville was pretty awesome. I think it was the favourite my favourite city that we've been to. I don't know about you, Nick.
Yeah, no, definitely favourite. Maybe Porto's near that.
I think it's also partly because we went on a weekend, just had a nice vibe about it. It was quite busy.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're back in the van now. If you guys can hear well, and you guys might have picked up on it already, we are now down on the coast. We kind of just were so tired from walking around Seville that we couldn't really find the energy to film our journey down here or anything like that. But we are down in Marbella. So today, there's a lovely view right here of the sea.
Wow.
Which is pretty awesome. But yeah, our plan for today is we're going to head to the market this morning, I think.
Yeah.
There's a nice market on in Marbella on a Monday, so we're going to head there now. Yeah, we will see you at the market. I want to hunt for honey nuts, like honey roasted nuts. Any nuts, they've got to be honey, nice and sweet. I'm looking.
What have you got?
Slushy for €1.
Looks so good. So needed right now. Muy bien?
Very cold.
What are you doing, babes?
I am boiling the kettle to do the washing up because it's my turn of washing up duty.
Harry's trying to be like, oh, I'm about to do a 2-hour drive. Please, can you do the washing
I'm
up?
about to do a 2-hour drive, so you should be doing the washing up. And then, yeah, we've accumulated a lot of stuff over the last 24 hours or so. Been cooking and eating a lot.
Yeah.
So it's time to do washing up. And then we're going to head to another park spot.
Hopefully by a lake again. We're getting somewhere though. If that's not a TikTok view, I don't know what is, to be honest with you. Cinderella.
I am Cinderella, you've done nothing but film.
Shut up! Gotta take this out of the video now.
Right, so we just stopped at the supermarket, we're at Aldi. We're just going to get a little shop for the next couple of days, because I think we're going to be wild camping out in the sticks. Most importantly though, a baguette, 35 cents.
Mad.
I've never seen anything like it.
Absolutely mad.
Never seen anything like it.
We just live off of bread, don't we?
We love bread. But yeah, we're going to buy some stuff now and show you what we get.
Cool.
Con la primera caja, por favor.
Jesus, I'm going to be on here for ages now.
Yeah, don't worry, mate. We'll just go behind you, going 8 miles per hour. That's fine.
All it takes is a car to come flying around that border now, and they're so fucked.
Come around the mountains when she comes. That is stunning.
It's the most blue thing.
Oh my goodness! I
Never
cannot
seen.
wait to jump in, and it's got sand on the side of it, like a beach. Ooh.
Okay, we have arrived.
We're here, and it's even better than the last lake, to be honest.
Look at
You
it
might
in the
have seen our last
background.
video.
It's absolutely stunning.
It's so blue, like you can see through it so well.
It's blue, there's pedlos down there, there's a little surf shop next to us, not surf shop, windsurf
It's
shop.
like a windsurfing. It's not open because it's a Monday, but there's also a camp van behind us. The registration looks like they're from, what was it?
Netherlands. But yeah, interesting. So we're going to explore this spot, unload ourselves, and we'll get back to you.
Have a dip.
Something about you supernatural. I get goosebumps every time you call. Got me running through my fantasies. 40 West, I'm doing 93. Tell me where the sparks come from. Don't know that we both bring some. Doing something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Move through, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through. You're just like magic. Figure out what I'm just trying to figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. It's magic.
What the hell?
I didn't know your mum and sister were coming on holiday. I'm joking. But yeah, some goats.
What the hell? Look at them.
A little walk.
They're really cute. Hello. That was a little. Wow, look at the size of the balls. Look at that.
Ooh, what have you made?
Made chicken fajita wraps with red onion, barbecue rub, and caprese salad.
That sounds absolutely banging.
Yeah.
So we're going to have this with a bit of a view,
A bit of a view, yeah.
and then see where the night takes us. I guess a movie night and a cosy one.
Yeah, I think it'll be nice.
But this is a dinner with a view.
It's a bit of a dinner, isn't it?
Amazing, thank you.
No worries.
Okay guys, so that's all for this week.
If you have any suggestions of places to visit in South Spain or anywhere else on our route, then please comment them below.
Make sure you subscribe to get notified of our next vlog. If you haven't already, make sure you follow us on Instagram at The Vanlife Project to keep more up to date with our journey.
See you next week.